We continue to celebrate Bible Sunday, the Word of God. And today, we know just heard the gospel, yung buto, yung salita ng Diyos. Kamusta ba yung salita ng Diyos? How generous God is. How generous in scattering the seed, no? Kahit nakita ka ba ng tagapaghasik, no? Binabato sa kalye, no? Sa semento. It is ridiculous, no? To plant. But we are asked to plant everywhere, no? Kahit alam natin na hindi magbubunga, patuloy tayo maghasik ng mabuting balita, patuloy tayo maghasik ng salita ng Diyos. Ito yung hamon para sa atin. Let us continue to do so in the same way God did. No? At alam naman natin, many times, naghahasik tayo, pero hindi naman tayo aani. No? Do not always plan, no? Na ako, may anihin ako, no? Many times we plant, but we do not harvest what we plant many times. But that does not stop us from continuing to maghasik, no? Lalo ng mabuting balita, the Word of God. It is very, very important. And of course, the recipient, no? Iba-ibang klase, iba-ibang uri, parang tayo. Anong klase ba tayong recipient sa salita ng Diyos? Ito yung hamon sa atin. Another aspect, yung the second half of the gospel, hindi naintindihan ng mga apostles yung ibig sabihin ng parabolang yan. Kaya sabi niya, please explain, no? Paliwanag. No? We need many things explained to us. We may not understand. Hindi magets yung mensahe, hindi magets yung punto. No? We might miss the point of the gospel. No? So let us be humble enough to ask, to clarify. We hear, we see. No? Minsan pumapasok nga sa ulo pero wala naman sa puso. No? Therefore, it is not completely understood. We ask the good Lord to help us truly understand the messages given to us. As we continue to celebrate the Bible Week, the Good News Week, we thank God for this good news given us. May it truly grow and bear 30, 60, or 100-fold. Magbunga ng madami sa tulong at grasya ng Panginoon at huwag manatiling buto lamang sa may daanan o sa mga tinikan, ano? Kundi sa mabuting lupa, matabang lupa na matuloy na maglalago at mapaghasik natin sa buong mundo. We continue to celebrate Bible Week. We continue to relish the Word of God, and we thank God as the month of January is about to come to a close. No? Malapit na, napakabilis ng panahon. No? Kakasimula lang ng taon, ngayon matatapos na yung unang buwan ng taon na ito. Salamat sa Diyos.